Welcome to Crazy Yuki YouTube channel. Come on, show my dog.
Hello everyone. Today we are going to explore Cameron Highlands in Malaysia. While going to Cameron Highlands, we come across this waterfall. Its name is Lata Iskandar. It is in Tapa. We took some pictures and started to Cameron Highlands. We reached Cameron Highlands. Cameron Highlands is a hill station. It is located 1800 meters above the sea level. So the weather is very cold here. So now we are going to our room. We thought of camping here, but the weather is too cold, so we took a chalet in Kia Garden.
Come on, show my dog.
The chalet has water bottles, TV, and sockets, and then one queen size bed. This is the view from here. It is raining. Here there are many chalets, and behind the chalets there are some rooms. Now we are going to Time Tunnel Strawberry Farm. Here we can pluck our own strawberries. They charged 40 ringgits for half kg and 80 ringgits for 1 kg. As it is not the right time, we didn't find much strawberries. The best season for strawberry is from May to August. Along with strawberries, there are many other products like dried strawberries, strawberry jam, strawberry chocolates, and so on. Here we got some homemade ice cream too. We are on the way to BOH Tea Estate. There is a cave here. From this place we can get the best view. Right now the temperature here is 17 degrees centigrade. Here there is a store. Here we can find all the BOH products. Here there is a information center. There a video is playing about harvesting techniques and complete details. Interested people can sit and watch. Here there is a stall where we can taste all the types of teas. Here there is a tea factory tour too. The opening hours are Tuesday to Sunday 8:30 a.m. to 4:30 p.m. It is raining almost all the day. If you want to avoid rainfall, then visit Cameron Highlands from February to April and July to August. Then you can explore all the outdoor activities. This is Lavender Garden, one of the most tourist attractions in Cameron Highlands. People who love to take pictures should visit Lavender Garden. This garden has so many photo spots. We must try lavender ice cream in the Lavender Garden. This is famous here. We can see the seven dwarfs here. This place is so beautiful with colorful flowers. Here every place has a strawberry farm. Here there is a strawberry farm on the top. There is a castle there. This is how the castle looks from inside. This is the way out. So many shops were there. This is the night market near Golden Hill Resort. Timings are from 4 p.m. to 10 p.m. Best time is 7 p.m. to 9 p.m. Day 2 in Cameron Highlands, but it is still raining here. Right now we are in Butterfly Garden. Along with butterflies, there are so many other animals. Children will love this place. This is the strawberry farm. Along with strawberries, we can find fresh lettuce, cilantro, and other leafy vegetables.